Welcome back to SMC Tutors. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Wikicat using Rabby wallet, step by step, from setting up your wallet to completing the swap. Before we continue, if you find our content helpful, do or buy educational token Wikicat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. All you need to do is get your Rabby wallet from your App Store or your Google Play Store for Android users. I have mine downloaded and installed, and this is the Rabby wallet interface. You could see your wallet here. You could add wallet. If you're installing for the first time, you have to create a new wallet or import a wallet to it. That's quite easy to do. And all you need to do from here is fund your wallet with BNB. I have BNB on my wallet. You can see I have BNB already, $2.3 worth of BNB, and you could either connect to a DEX platform that's a decentralized application, or you just do it directly through the Rabby wallet swap feature. Let's just go to the swap feature and see. So I want to swap from BNB to Wikicat. Wikicat is WKC, and make sure it's the right Wikicat. You could see other Wikicat, they don't have Wikicat logo, so definitely not the right one. And currently the market cap of Wikicat is 3.31.17 million. So you click on it, and you could use this slide adjuster, select a percentage. I would want to swap 50% of it and 5% slippage. Then click on confirm. It's pending. Succeeded. Now you could see I've successfully swapped 0.01 BNB to 18 million Wikicat, and you could see it used the decentralized application Kyber swap for this swap, and it is very fast and super easy using the Rabby wallet. You could confirm if you from your wallet my Wikicat has reflected successfully in the do not avoid these common mistakes: importing a fake token or using an official contract address, and also not having enough BNB for your swaps. Always remember, don't trust the token names too, and you can't really be too sure of yourself because there are a lot of tokens. So definitely get the contract address from the official sources of Wikicat, or you can get it from Dex Screener or any other official sources. And if this tutorial video helped you, make sure you like the video, share it with someone interested in buying Wikicat, drop a comment below, subscribe to SMC Tutors for more tutorials like this, and thanks for watching. I'll get to see you in the next one.